This is my last short today on Bofors and Karlskoga. This is a safety shelter for the staff at the railway station and at the nearby industries. I am at Bofors railway station, opened in the 1870s. That was a very important point for the transport of weapons, munitions and other war supplies and material, as it connected up all the railways to and from all the various factories that belonged to Bofors and Nobel. An industrial railway station, an industrial railway hub here. Very large marshalling yards. Beautiful old station. Not only did it transport war material, weapons, munitions, cannons, what have you, vehicles, it also transported other local industrial items like iron, copper, silver, everything that came through the area. Because here you see we're on an area, or in an area rather, which had lots of mines, lots of quarries, and most of it came through here, going down from here down to other railway stations or down to the big lake and onto ships. Another station building there, the red one. Not sure what that was for. It might have been a lineman's cottage. Passenger traffic ceased in 1966, and as an industrial station, this was open until '89. Inside, I've been inside, there's a lovely little railway museum with a model railway. Look off into the distance there, you can see the water tower still intact and still with its water pipe. That red building there, that used to be workers' homes. Believe it or not, that building it's 2 floors, 2 huge rooms on each floor, and each room had its own little kitchenette, shared toilet and bathroom in the house, and each one of the rooms contained families, and it was said that at most there was over 20 people living in that house back in the day, 1800s. Same with the other red building over there. But this one now is a workers' museum, and so each room is decked out as it was when a family was living there. Over here, another shelter. The front of it made from slagstien, from the iron industry. And here a lovely kitchen garden, which is what back in the day, especially what's called the emergency beredskaps years, 30s, 40s, every house, every main building had their own kitchen garden. And over there, all of those red buildings were also buildings for workers at the various factories and plants and industries that existed here. It's really quite surprising how many people lived and worked in Karlskoga with all these industries. So there you are, Bofors Station. Still a beautiful building. And that concludes my shorts today about Bofors and Karlskoga. Bye for now.